In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix password not working in Salesforce. If you're locked out or your usual password isn't being accepted, don't worry. This quick, secure reset will get you back in. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share helpful tips along the way so everything is clear and smooth. First, go to Salesforce using your web browser. Open the same login page you normally use for work. If your organization uses a custom domain or single sign-on, head to that familiar page. It's a good idea to use a trusted bookmark and double check that the address bar shows a secure connection with HTTPS and the lock icon. If you're unsure whether you're on your production or sandbox site, confirm before proceeding, since those are different environments. Next, click the Salesforce login option to reach the sign-in screen. This might appear as a button or a link depending on your organization's branding, but your goal is to land on the page where you'd normally enter your username and password. On the login page, click the Forgot Password link. You'll usually find it right below the password field. This starts the official reset process and ensures everything is handled securely. Now, enter your username. In most cases, your Salesforce username is an email address, but it might be unique to your company. Type it carefully, exactly as it's assigned to you. If you use more than one Salesforce environment, make sure you're entering the username associated with the environment you're trying to access. If you're not sure about the correct username, your internal administrator or IT support can confirm it for you. Click Continue to submit your request. Salesforce will generate a secure password reset email and send it to the inbox associated with that username. Depending on your organization's security settings, you might also be prompted to verify your identity, and that's normal. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Finally, check your email and reset your password. Open your inbox and look for the message from Salesforce with the reset link. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, check your spam or junk folder and wait a bit before requesting another reset to avoid multiple conflicting emails. Click the reset link, create a strong new password that meets the on-screen requirements, and avoid reusing old passwords. Choose something memorable but secure. Update any password manager you use, and you should be all set to sign in again. That's it. Your password is reset, and you're back in Salesforce.